after the
Let's start the live stream this early morning. Today is Wednesday, August 20. Good morning,
Wednesday,
everyone.
20th of August. 20th of August. We are nearing the 3/4. By next month, we'll be 3/4 into the year and leaving us only 1/4 to play with, to trade in the Bitcoin market, crypto market. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Yes, Mr. Richard.
It's a good day to see you back back with our live stream. We have some of the information to share to all of you. Today we see the red color. It's a hot color. The market is go down. If we compare with 7 day, it's go down 4.87%. For BTC, with the ETS is 5.45%. A lot of people or traders feel scared when they see this. We see so many geopolitics happen recently last week.
Yes.
And then that's maybe a little bit the reason why the market had a little bit correction, and it's also the chance for us to buy the dip. Yes, one man buy the dip. We know it's a micro strategy.
That's right.
He's expand the Bitcoin portfolio to 51.4 million purchase during the market dip. It's a chance when people see the thing, the chaos thing happen. It's an opportunity for the order, and then we see this maybe the opportunity we see, and I realize that when MicroStrategy buy the Bitcoin to buy the dip, the market have a correction. I also don't know why, and let's see how next month how the thing Fed will cut the interest rate, because based on some CME Wastu the percentage of the probably Fed will cut the interest rate maybe higher than let's see here 86.1%. We have 28 days for the Fed to cut the interest rate, and the percentage of the probability Fed will cut interest rate is 86.1%. So we can feel optimistic that the Fed will cut the interest rate and the market will inject to the money will inject to the market, and we will have more money, more cash join. Let's continue. This man is the Senate of New York. His support for the U.S. crypto market structure bill. This man he also support for Bitcoin for a long time, for a few years ago, and now he's a key Republican senator too. And some of the news I see is Bohings. This guy, he's the one who stand in the center, in the left of the U.S. President Donald Trump. He will be the Tether advisor role in the Tether USDT. If we trade crypto, we must know USDT, and he will be the Tether advisory role in the company. And he's one of the ex-White House crypto director. This is some of the big news, good news for us to know that the government now take their hand into the crypto industry. So this must be have some regulation, something that allow crypto expand more, and we will see more things like um, DeFi, AI, and some of the other technology will be used in US and around the world nowadays. Let me see the Bitcoin billionaire filed for 250 million Spark target defined AI. His billionaire VC investor Chamat filed called filed 250 million Spark called American Exceptionalism Acquisition Corporation, and his company target energy production, AI, defined defenses. Yeah. This is the news for to know that Bitcoin, crypto, and some of the technology nowadays is a chance. It's a chance for a new startup business to join to do more research on this. We will see in next near future. We will see a lot different. Yeah, who keep focusing on this and we get more reward. Mr. Nicholas, do you have any comment in some of the information the news I cover recently?
Yeah, when I see this piece of article, I begin to think that, or rather, it has already been showing for the last maybe half a year. A lot of all these, a number of all these billionaires, uh, investors, VCs, they are slowly resurfacing, coming up from the water surface to start to invest more boldly into DeFi, AI, and all. Yeah,
Yeah,
so especially ever since Trump took office, he has been very clear about Bitcoin Reserve, very clear about the way he's wanting the the country system to move into crypto and all. Yeah, or at least invest in crypto, have Bitcoin as playing bigger role in the backing. Yeah,
yeah,
so with all this VC investor and all, they are increasing their gear. You know what I mean? At first they were like moving at first two gear, not too sure. First two gear is easy to slam their brake and stop, but when they are kicking up in high speed, they are basically bringing a few of rather influencing some of the big guys in the market to move along with the flow. Yeah, I think that's what happening right.
yeah. And I also have some of the news is it's a matching of the two company to Sophie Light Park team up to boost the Bitcoin remittance. Yeah. They in the future we will see the remittance some of the other crypto will be very easy. Yeah. This is the making of the two team, and who is behind it? David Marcus aim to make a Bitcoin global payment standard. Yeah, David Marcus is uh, this one. This is a former president of PayPal and current CEO of Lightpath. Just now I tell you the Lightpath. And announced his commitment to position Bitcoin as the leading global payment system, leveraging infrastructure developed by his company. Yeah. with the local payment system, it's depend. I mean, it's depend a lot on the infrastructure. Our current infrastructure look like our blockchains, our uh, like Xeonbit, we also try to build up the global payment system. But also now it's depend on the infrastructure, current infrastructure. Uh, can it interact with the current banking system? Like if you want to pay by the QR code or uh, pay by credit card, yeah, they they will have some of the hardware device to team up with the merchant. Yeah, this is a very challenge, and now at Davis market, yeah, he focusing on this. Then when he see this is an opportunity because the government allow it, have the best regulation, and they just join up a team and do that. Yeah, it's good. It's good to see that. And Lightback developed Bitcoin infrastructure from scalability into traditional Bitcoin adoption increasing among the major banks. And now many banks they keep buying crypto and Bitcoin and keep it at the reserve asset. Yeah, it's good, and we will see in near future. Some of the bank they have the system to for us to send easy like the stablecoin and fiat worldwide. Like I we send from Singapore to US just 3 minutes. Yeah, using the banking system or something similar with this like PayPal and something like that. Yeah. The next one, we back to the stock market. Yeah, Bitcoin miner Taylor Wolf. Yeah, the reason why it jumped 72% in 5 days. Yeah, the reason is because this one because Google took 14% of the stack in the Bitcoin miner Taylor Wolf. Google buy 14% of stack of this company, and we know that now Google slowly they try to approach some of the crypto activity like do mining, and then this maybe the reason why Taylor Wood stock value jump up. Taylor Wood plan to shift focus from Bitcoin mining to AI and computing services. Yeah, this the Thailand group to try to expand their activity into the AI and computing services. And it look like with the hardware, it still do mining, keep do mining. That we use the hardware for AI computing and some of the computing services. Yeah, Circle and other crypto firm. Circle is a company belong to Coinbase. Yeah, and crypto so gain backing from the major investor. Yeah, this is also the supporting from the traditional market. They support some of the activity in the crypto market. Yeah, it's also good news for us to know that slowly, day by day, some traditional activity they find a way, they know that, and they will let crypto choice the activity together. And some of the best crypto investor idea according to CEO, 1.6 trillion asset management Franklin Templeton. Yeah, uh, she is, yeah, Jenny Johnson. Yeah, Franklin Templeton. She's the CEO of uh, Jenny Johnson is the CEO of the Franklin Templeton. She said that the best crypto investment idea. Yeah, they try to manage to embrace in the blockchain and crypto. Yeah, in near future, I hope I think that in the end of this year, yeah, Bitcoin, crypto, and the other altcoin will fly up based on some of the asset fund, some of the finance institution, they will jump in and they will make boost the market go up. It's look like the FOMO in the company in the formal activity in the company version. Yeah, we also have some other news from US. This old news we get from the coin guru, crypto guru. I forgot the name. Let me check. Uh, crypto guru. Yeah, here. Watcher guru. Yeah,
Watcher
Watcher guru.
Watcher Guru is quite popular, posting a
Here,
lot of things.
this the Watcher guru is a news. It's let me turn on this Watcher guru. Watcher guru. Here, Watcher guru is fastest finance crypto news. We also got from this, and we also get some news from Cointelegraph. They are very famous coin source for us. Just now, information I shared from here. Yeah, about the U.S. Key, what happening. Yeah, a lot of information. Um, what's the rule? Judging Wyoming want to become the first U.S. state to launch its own stablecoin. In the beginning of our live stream, Mr. Nicholas also say something about the to see the headline, the news
Oh,
about
yeah.
Wyoming.
In the past, when they have election, Wyoming is like one of those few states that is potentially being swing here and there. Yeah.
Yeah,
So the presidential candidate would uh, try to convince people of Wyoming to swing to their side.
yeah,
But it's a good thing to see a place like this becoming the first state to launch the stablecoin.
yeah,
Yeah, usually we are thinking, oh, maybe it's the bigger city, maybe at least if not New York, maybe California or something,
yeah,
or maybe some other big state. But it is this one. But it's a good start. Yeah, because they has been talking about it for quite some time until now. Yeah, so it's about time start to
yeah,
have a stable
yeah.
coin. Yeah, yeah,
And we also see the news in the SEC commissioner has the years say we welcome small and early stage crypto project to meet with us in Chicago on September 15th. Yeah. We see a lot of good sign from SEC nowadays because they have changed the chair more welcoming with the crypto activity. Yeah. So this is good news for some crypto project, the company, and it's, it's duplicate. Sorry, I got the duplicate. And next one is Congresswoman. Yeah, just now Mr. That's also comment about the uh, uh, property tax. Yeah,
right.
yeah. We also agree with him because property tax look like the golden egg. Yeah, the
Yeah,
golden egg for the government. But of course, the government uh, will will not allow to abolish completely the property tax. Maybe they will have some
maybe
tool.
they'll make
Yeah,
some adjustment, but they will not
uh,
abolish the whole thing.
yeah, that's right. They have some adjustment. This maybe she tried to say to let people know. We see next is SEC Chair Paul Askin create a framework that future-proofs the crypto market against the regulatory mischief. I also don't know much what he said about this. Mr. Nicholas, do you have any comment on this?
Future-proof,
Yeah, the crypto.
future-proof the crypto markets against regulatory mischief. I don't know what exactly he means by this saying
Yeah,
this.
yeah. Uh, I also don't know, but in my own opinion, future proof is look like uh, uh, some technique in the crypto. Last time we had the proof of work, the proof of reserve, and this future proof. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, and in
Maybe.
the crypto market. Look like some of the future in trading by future. You bet the price of the crypto market in the future. Yeah, and then this is a future proof. Yeah, this will against regulatory mischief. Yeah, he want to create the framework for this. Yeah, let's see how. But I don't know much about this. And back to the fighting between the Trump and Jerome Powell. Yeah, I only can get his photo here. We uh, we don't have the Jerome Powell next to him. Yeah, because he said that there's no inflation and every side is pointing to the major rate cut. He really want to cut the interest rate for the home market. Yeah, not only the crypto market, but a few months ago, he signed up the big beautiful bill. It's another loud way. The big beautiful bill is a loud way for bump up the crypto market, bumping up the crypto market from nowhere. That means he allow for the stablecoin company to bring out more stablecoin and buy crypto and bump crypto. After that, they crash the crypto to get the profits. Yeah, that's the thing, from my own opinion. Uh, that's why now he want Fed chair to cut the major interest rate to allow uh, the fiat coming in to make the balance between the stable coin with the fiat, because now the stable coin company, they bring out the USDT, USDC, some of the money from nowhere, and they want to he want to boost up the thing from the fiat to make the balance with this, to keep the reserve with from it. If not, it keep for a long time. It may be the problem for some of the stablecoin company, because it's hard for them to prove uh, why they mint, they bring out this stablecoin, and where's the reserve accept for this. Yeah. That's some of the trick in the big beautiful bill of Donald Trump. That's why now he urgent want the interest rate. Yeah.
So
Uh,
I'm now at the White House page, whitehouse.gov,
yeah.
with the big beautiful bill, and what uh, it says here is what it means for everyday Americans. So there are quite a number of pointers. So it's the
Yeah.
largest tax cut in history for middle
Yeah.
and working class Americans, right?
Yeah.
So they will affect, or rather benefit, most workers and families making less than 50,000 a year.
Yeah.
So bigger paychecks of 100,000 or no, 10,000 plus more in annual take-home pay for families. So, and
Yeah.
then there's no tips, no tax on overtime, no tax on social security, 12.5 billion modernization of air control system, permanently increasing child tax credit for 40 million families.
Yeah.
So uh, it seems to work well for people or families earning less than 50,000 a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so and it seems like there are a lot of families less than 50,000 a year. Yeah,
Yeah. 50,000 a year. Yeah. It's, I think, 50 or 40. Last time I remember, around less than 40, 50, 40 a years. In US, it's main
it is
it's
about maybe 4,000 a year, a month or
a
something.
month. Yeah.
4,000
Uh,
plus a month kind of thing.
yeah.
Yeah, because each
Uh,
year has months, right?
yeah.
Yeah,
Around 4,000 a month stay in US. Yeah, it's very struggling because
yeah.
you need to pay a bill or pay for the house renting or something like that. Very struggling.
And
Also in Singapore, also the same. Yeah,
I think
I
beyond that, the food cost, the inflation, and all will
yeah
basically eat up into your living standard, right?
yeah
So at least over here we can handle the food cost. The food cost is still something that we can handle. Yeah,
yeah
but uh, over there there are a number of politicians, news podcasts or whatever, all those influencer, social media personalities. When they visit the West, they make a comparison to the food prices. They
yeah
were like shocked. I've been listening to this analyst from Taiwan. So he's very popular. I mean, each time his live stream would have at least 30,000 listeners kind of thing.
oh
At some hotter times, he would have nearly 100,000 viewers. There's one of his session, he has 99,000 viewers. I mean, he is really popular. I mean,
mm,
because of the content that he say and the things that he look at, because he's also a lecturer or something, yeah,
yeah
and former politician. So when he visit the US, he realized, wow, the food price is just crazy. Yeah,
yeah
uh, with this kind of things that's happening, uh, I think average income, or rather 44,000 a month income in the US, I think many will not be able to get uh, enjoy a very good living standard. Yeah, so I think they will definitely need a lot of assistance from the government, right? Yeah.
Just now, I received some of the photo from Mr. Nicholas share about the
Oh, the second picture is the one that I want to take a look at. This one is talking about this one that you just click on is talking about each time there is after halving, each time there is the uptrend, then there'll be
the
the September pullback. It's like a trend,
uh,
you know. Yeah,
là
you look at it,
September boom bao nhiêu?
September pullback, September.
So the September boom back for one month until October.
Yeah.
It will fly up to October. Yeah.
So this one applies more to just after the halving, and this picture is talking about I think it's about right now in July
Yeah.
2025 at the bottom you see. So it's about telling us that we are still in the trend, maybe still left with maybe how long?
Yeah.
Left with a couple of months uptrend before before the next downtrend.
Yeah. Because last time I see some hints about the 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 peak of the price of the crypto is on uh, 15 August. Yeah.
Mm.
And after 15 August, the price will go down. Yeah. And I take a note on my calendar. Yeah. After the 15 August, I see, oh, the market is going down slightly, slightly. Yeah. that's why I realize that maybe this is a sign of the correction, and we will wait for the Fed will adjust the interest rate, and some of the good news will come up, and the market will bump up with the altcoin or the alt position will come in next 2 months. Yeah, I also hope so. Yeah. But with Bitcoin nowadays, look like go sideways because all the money flow going to Ethereum and some of the other altcoin nowadays. When I see, I realize that yeah, it's similar with last 4 years.
Mm.
After the halving, we start and discuss about it, and it will happen slowly, slowly. Let us when we look back, oh, it's so fast. We can't catch the
Yeah,
market. So the best way for us is keep this. If you investing, keep DCA to buying to build up your portfolio, and then when you get the profits, cut a little bit out. When you got the profits, yeah, uh, set the target 25%, 50%, double X, double or triple of your value in investment. Yeah, and a few days ago, I used the AI to asking about build up how build up the portfolio to if I have 1,000, how can I split up to invest in? Yeah, they say just use 10 or 20% for the crypto only. Yeah, with some of the high risk, high return asset, they use just 10 or 20% only, and the other for uh, self in investment like um, property or something also 20%. Yeah, self investment like gold and something like that. I also can't remember. Yeah, and back to our CoinGecko. Yeah, uh, now I using the window and we can join the CoinGecko account portfolio. Let's see the portfolio. Last week, I I can last time I did the transaction I showed you. We do we cannot buy nearly 1 month. So last week I keep buying $50 for each. That means every week we buy $10. But last week I buy $50 because a whole month I did not buy, so I buy $50. But this time I will buy just $10 for all the crypto. Yeah, and after this I will complete the live stream this early morning. Yeah. Uh, I hope to see you in our next live stream, Mr. Nicholas.
all right. Thank you all for joining us. We hope you make some money and, of course, do your own due diligence on everything or anything that you are investing in and trade safely. And see you in our next session.